What's up, everybody? It's Wade back with another Wheels on Wednesday. We're going to crack this bad boy open and see what I've got. I've always said that these numbers probably say what they've got, but this one has been sitting around for, I honestly don't know how long. So there could be anything in here. Last time we had something pretty cool. Let's see what we got this time. So we're hanging out in the back of the thing. And let's crack this bad boy open and see what we've actually got. Now, my collecting of Hot Wheels started very young, probably like a lot of you. And I honestly think it's mostly because I want every car under the sun, and Hot Wheels, about the only way I'm going to get that, right? So, looks like we have a Mercedes Benz 600 here. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Nice little inner box. Ooh, all right, this one's a little different. Slide out. Woo, that is cool. Let's go ahead and take it all away. Oh man, that's cool. I wish the doors open, but do they open? Oh, snap. If I can do it. Kind of hard from behind the camera. Ooh, we might have to try and zoom in a little there. Dang. That guy is detailed up. Man, that's cool. All right, now I gotta ask, you guys open your Hot Wheels, keep them in the packages all the time? I mean, how would you have ever known that that was that cool without opening the door and checking out the inside? Does the hood open on this guy? I don't think the hood opens. Kind of hard to tell. I'm gonna say no. It almost looked like it did, but that seam doesn't go all the way down. Man, that's cool. She slammed. She slammed. That would be an awesome car to have in real life. Just a laid out Mercedes Benz 600. This one is super cool. VIP 600. What do you guys think of this one? Well, that's going to be it for this Wheels on Wednesday. I actually think that Mercedes 600 is super cool. What do you guys think of that one? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that jazz so you get notified to check out more cool Hot Wheels diecast and watches. If you're into watches, there's plenty of that going on. As always, guys, thanks for watching.